Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a machine that fundamentally rewrote the rules of what a motorcycle can be. When it debuted, it didn't just break the mold, it shattered it with the scream of a supercharger. This is the legendary 2015 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Walking around this machine, the exterior looks less like a traditional sport bike and more like a stealth fighter designed exclusively for the racetrack. Every single line is dictated by aerodynamic force. Instead of standard rear-view mirrors, you find massive carbon fiber wings built into the upper cowl to generate downforce and prevent the front wheel from lifting at blistering speeds. Swinging a leg over the machine brings you into what can only be described as the rider's cockpit, the interior interface of this track-only monster. Because this bike is built strictly for closed-course racing, the layout is sparse, purposeful, and intensely focused. You sit in a deeply sculpted racing seat with supportive side pads designed to lock you in place against immense acceleration forces. But the true soul of this beast lies directly under the hood, deep within its mechanical core. Powering the H2R is a 998cc inline four-cylinder engine built completely in-house, paired with a centrifugal supercharger that spins at over 130,000 RPM. This engineering marvel pumps out a jaw-dropping, mind-bending 310 horsepower right from the factory, which jumps closer to 326 horsepower with full ram air effect. The exhaust note is a mechanical symphony, blasting through a raw titanium megaphone system that screams with a piercing whine every time you snap the throttle open. Owning a piece of history like this demands a premium, and the price matches its extreme performance. When it launched, the Ninja H2R commanded a hefty price tag of $50,000, making it an elite investment for collectors and serious track enthusiasts alike. Because it is an unregistered, non-street legal track weapon, that price tag reflects purely raw engineering, exotic materials, and unrestricted velocity. With that much power on tap, safety is the only thing keeping the bike on the tarmac. Kawasaki equipped the H2R with an advanced electronics suite governed by a multi-axis inertial measurement unit. This system manages an ultra-responsive traction control system, launch control to optimize off-the-line acceleration, an intelligent anti-lock braking system, and engine brake control. Massive Brembo monoblock calipers clamp down on large dual discs up front to deliver immense stopping power, ensuring you can bring this 300-plus horsepower projectile to a safe, controlled stop at the end of the straightaways. In summary, the 2015 Kawasaki Ninja H2R remains an absolute peak of motorcycling engineering. It represents a bold moment in time when a manufacturer decided to ignore racing regulations, throw out the rulebook, and build the fastest, most powerful accelerating machine possible. It is a breathtaking combination of supercharged power, carbon fiber artistry, and terrifying speed. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the ultimate two-wheeled machines ever created, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on this supercharged monster, and subscribe to the channel for more high-octane reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.